how to create PCB board outline. As you saw in these pictures, not all PCBs are in the shape of a square or rectangle. The shape of PCBs are dictated by the design of enclosures that the PCBs will be placed into. So how to create a PCB board outline? The board outline can be created either in Altium PCB editor, or it can be imported from files created by other softwares. For example, files like DWG, DXF, or STEP. Let's first see how to create a board with Altium PCB editor. First, let's add a PCB file. Right-click, add new to project, PCB. As you can see, a PCB file or document is added. Before we do anything, let's select the unit and configure the grid. To do that, go to Panel, Properties. In the Properties, select under Units, select MM. Under Grid Manager, select Global Board Snap Grid, this one. You can either double click on this, or you can select it and then go to Properties. In this window, Cartesian Grid Editor, select the units, select 1 millimeter. This will also be applied to step Y. This display is purely a matter of choice and preference. Let's select line. Let's select line for here, and also multiplier to 10. If our fine line is 1 millimeter, that will be multiplied by this 10 millimeter, that will be 1 centimeter, and the coarse line will be displayed at 10 millimeter or 1 centimeter intervals, like this. These orange lines should be at 10 millimeter interval, and the smaller, the finer grids should be at 1 millimeter each. Let's see that. Go to Report, Measure Distance. As you can see, it is 10 millimeter, which is 1 centimeter. Let's also measure here vertically. Click here, click here. That's the Y distance is also 10 millimeter or 1 centimeter. Let's see the smaller unit. Click, click, and the smaller X is 1 millimeter. Let's measure the vertical distance. The vertical distance is 1 millimeter. Let's set the origin. The origin, you can place it anywhere you like. I prefer to place it in this area. In order to place the origin, go to Edit, Origin, Set. Once you set this at any point, that point will be your origin, the X will be 0 and the Y will be 0. Now we are ready to define the board outline. In order to do that, we can use a line command. In order to go to place, line, or we can right click, place, line. Let's first draw a square of 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter. As we saw before, each orange unit or square represents 1 centimeter. So 8 centimeter we will start from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Horizontally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right click to stop the command. As we see here, an outline of board 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter is created. Let's check it. We can either check by counting the grid or use the measure distance report in report. Let's count this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 millimeter or 8 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 centimeter or 80 millimeter. We select them all, go to design, board shape, define from the selected objects. This square that we draw is an object. It is selected and now it defines the board outline. View, 3D, and that represents our board. Let's draw a rectangular board of the size 8 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Right click, place, line. Start from the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click. Now count up to 10 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 centimeter or 100 millimeter. Let's go back. Click. Right click to stop the command. And we have a rectangular board of the size 8 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Let's measure it. We can measure it either by counting the orange grid or use the measuring distance tool. Let's use the measuring distance tool. Go to report, measure distance, start measuring from here to here. That is 100 millimeter or 10 centimeter. Let's measure again from here to here, and that is 80 millimeter or 8 centimeter. We can do that, or we can count the grid. Each grid is 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80 millimeter or 8 centimeter. Or also we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 centimeter or 100 millimeter, which is true here. So in order to create the board, select all of them, go to Design, Board, define board, and this is our board outline. Let's draw a circular board now. In order to do that, right click, place, arc, full circle. Select the center, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter diameter, 6 centimeter. Click here, right click to end the command, select all, go to Design, Board Shape, define from selected objects. And that is our board, circular board. Let's draw an irregular board shape. Right click, place, line, start from here, click, click, go here, go here, right click to end the command, select all, go to Design, Board Shape, define from selected object. And that is our new board outline. Let's draw a half circle board. In order to do that, right click, place, arc, arc center, right click, place, line, right click to end the command, select, Design, Board, define from selected objects, and that is our new board. And that is one way of creating PCB board outline. Thank you.